the Note 20 Ultra, as well as comparing it to the iPhone 12 Pro, which I've been using since its launch. So it's been, I think, almost a month. So I'll be giving you guys some thoughts on that as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. This is the 256GB model. I actually went this time with the most famous color, with the Pacific Blue. I went with the 256GB storage. I think that's a very sweet spot. I mean, you can go with the 512GB as well if you want absolute maximum storage. Here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific Blue color. Has this really nice matte finish, and this is indeed the flagship color that everybody wants to go for. Here's a quick comparison with the silver/white color. I feel like this is like very minimal kind of look, but obviously the blue, it definitely is really pretty. So taking the phone out and putting it on the side, as always, very simple unboxing, very similar, except the camera. So the main camera sensor of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is actually bigger than the 12 Pro. It's also got slightly better optical image stabilization. I mean, the 12 Pro is really good with its image stabilization, but Apple has sort of a different